here we go again.
If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. I piss and pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win with my back is the road. Rockin' off white so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend.
What's good YouTube? It's your boy RonDaGreat, man, back here with another banger video. Today guys, we'll be doing a little tricky question today. Part 3.
Part 3, yes sir. Look at my face, couldn't recognize me? Yeah man.
Yeah.
Come from part 2.
I smoke that.
Part 2 was me and him.
Yeah,
Part 3 now.
Part 3 away.
A 3 away.
Yeah,
So what you know?
seal.
Look at part 1 you know, and me and one youth at the first, you know. Part 2 now and me and him. Part 3 a 3 away. So part 4 I'm gonna be 4 away soon.
So you don't know your boy Immortal aka RiqtheGreat. Yes sir. Subscribe to my Instagram and follow me on YouTube.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait, first of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Alright, so Gucci, shout out your social.
Yeah, don't know. They know from the last video already. So let's follow me on my Instagram. Gucci official team.
You know my music channel, subscribe to it, Immortal Music. On Vex now.
No, I'm not vexed, but anyways, let's get in the video. So I'm RonDaGreat.
Yeah, I'm sure.
RiqtheGreat.
Official good.
So all we are gonna ask you a question, right? So my question is, what go up and never come back down?
The age.
Age, right?
Huh?
Ask my question.
How much side is a circle of?
So I can understand.
Yeah man, you're wrong. Yeah. One thing now, yeah. You don't know what side circle of?
Two sides.
Yeah.
Yeah, high school.
Gucci.
Brother, it's not my side.
Brother, you're not there, you're not there. Alright, thanks. So I'm here with Jordan, I'm RonDaGreat.
Official good.
RiqtheGreat.
Alright, so the question for today is what goes up and never come back down?
Smoke.
Well, yeah, that's something. You know other question that go up and not come back down about.
Go up and come back down.
Some else other question.
Age.
You cannot tell him anything that brother.
Actually, how much size is a circle of?
Circle of no size.
Boy, if you don't. Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Let's hear that say. Let's hear that say.
Where sir?
How much size a circle of?
More size?
Yeah.
No boy.
You give up?
Yeah.
2. Inside and outside.
More size, I say.
Yeah.
I think a size. They say.
Hey. Which month in the year of 28 days?
28 days.
Every month.
Yeah, man, I'm smart, man. I'm smart, dog. Gotcha, dog. Gotcha, dog.
Alright, so I'm RonDaGreat. I'm here with Samantha.
Official Gucci team.
RiqtheGreat.
Alright, so today we're gonna ask a look a tricky question. Hold away. So me have one, right? So what goes up and never come back down?
What goes up and never comes down?
Yeah.
Umbrella.
What? Umbrella can't come back down.
What goes listen to it. What goes up, nothing can bring it back down. Nothing.
Up and never comes down.
Yeah.
Start with A.
Start with A.
You start with A.
Yeah.
Oh no, yeah, start with A for real. Start with A.
How much can I know this?
No, me just a music. No.
I don't remember.
I am tell you.
Every year celebrate.
Yeah,
Age.
23.
Age go, but you can't come back down.
Okay.
Alright, so, how many sides is a circle of?
Huh?
How many sides is a circle of?
How many sides?
Sides, yeah.
It's a circle.
So how many sides is that?
It doesn't have any sides.
You sure?
Yeah.
Just think.
Sides? No. It doesn't have any.
It have 2 sides.
Oh, come.
Inside and outside.
Alright.
Which month in the year of 28 days?
Huh?
Which month in the year of 28 days?
All months.
You want to shout out your IG or anything like that?
Okay.
Alright. Thanks. Alright, so guys, that's the end of the video. Please like, subscribe to the man name. Yeah.
Subscribe to me on YouTube, RiqtheGreat, and follow me on Instagram, One Immortal.
Yeah.
Subscribe to my YouTube. Oh, them know me already are. Follow me on my Instagram, official Gucci T. Brother, I know one down here. 92, he's in the 92. Yeah. Yeah, don't
We
know.
make him blue, you know. That me I say, we make him blue. A joke, man, a joke. But we get a little push down. You can't say we not give it.
And you must stop, man. I'm Nike on Instagram. You see? All the reason I shout out my YouTube because I'm an idol.
That's the end of the video.
Here we go again.
If I catch him lacking, your homie is doomed. We clean this block, 30 shots out the broom. I piss and pop out like it's toast. Hit that bitch once and I gotta go ghost. She see I got power, now she do the most. Internet gangsters get mad, make a post. Bet you I win with my back is the road. Rockin' off white, so she think I'm the Pope. I jumped in the water, I knew I would float. You think you the best, and I'm killing the goat. Niggas was broke, all we had was hope. Bro hit the plug, all he had was dope. I get the last laugh if he think it's a joke. Say she got a friend.